Yep. Despite our situation, I keep making sure she eats that, that dog formula, that kibble, because that's keeping her healthy. And she did not want to eat it when I got her back. She's been fussy. Today she's less fussy. Put a little bit of tuna fish at the bottom of her bowl, but she had to eat through the kibble to really get to. So I think that helps a little bit. She's not going to have that in her bowl all the time, but it's better than her not eating anything healthy. Good girl, Birdie. Good girl. Good girl, Birdie. Hey, Birdie. Birdie. Hey, Birdie. Drink some water. Come on. I bet you're thirsty. Good girl. Good girl, Birdie. Good girl. Good girl.